Welcome back to virtual reality. My name is Thomas and you're watching VoodooDE VR. Today I will show you how you can optimize the power or the playtime with your Oculus Quest 2 with your smartphone. So you can charge your Quest with your smartphone. That's crazy. So thank you to Peter Wasmeier. He showed he had the idea for that and he showed me some videos so I can give you the tutorial. You can find everything about VR and AR on this channel thanks to my sponsors VoodooDE VR, Open Events, Peter Wasmeier, Virtual Escape, Slim Beats and VR Cover. All links to my sponsors and their products you can find in the description below. Let's have some fun with the video and let's go.
VoodooDE.
Okay guys, and now I will show you how that works. So first you need your Quest 2 of course, or Quest, and your smartphone. First thing on your smartphone, I can only show it on Android. I have the Google Pixel 4 XL here, but I will also show the screenshot of the phone of Peter Wasmeier. He gave it to me, thank you for this. And the thing is, go on settings on your smartphone and then search for reverse charging. Yeah, it means that this is the most important thing, reverse charging. Search for that in the settings. I will show the settings now for my phones. And then activate that. So your phone has activated reverse charging. That's everything you need to do. That's it. And then just have your cable here, USB-C cable. Put it in your smartphone, put your smartphone in your bag or in your whatever where you want to do it, and the other side of the cable just inside the Quest. And then when you put it on your head, then you will see in the icons that it is charging. And that's absolutely great. So cool. Thank you so much for that. And thank you to Peter for having this idea. So that's everything you need to know. It's so short, it's so cool. And the question now is, how long can you play with that? It depends on the charge of your smartphone, of course. I would say like something like 30 minutes additional playtime with the Quest. And the cool thing is that it's for free. Everybody has a smartphone, so you can just use your smartphone as a free power bank. Just use any USB-C cable, perhaps the one that comes with the Quest 2. That's great. So guys, I hope you liked this video. If yes, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and see you next time in virtual reality. See ya.
VoodooDE.